Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today with y'all, I'm going to be doing my hand sanitizers. So, yay! I'm finally bringing out that video. And so, it's been a while, I know, with the face mask and everything like that. And I told y'all over time, I'm going to be showing y'all how to protect yourselves. Because at the same time, I think you should be protecting your kids. So that's a whole different story. But right now I'm going to show you how to do hand sanitizers, and let's get it. These are the things that you're actually going to need. We're going to basically use about almost 80% to 90% alcohol, because the more alcohol you use, the better it is for you, the better you protect yourself. That's just the end of the story right there. So you're going to get your flask, and you're going to look at your measurements, and you're going to see how much you're going to need in order to fill a tube like mine. And this is about 3 to 6 ounce bottle. I'm not sure, really. So it might be 2. So for one of these that I'm going to be filling up, I'm going to put alcohol in it. And because I have a 70% alcohol, that means that I'm going to put as less as possible to make sure I'm not diluting it, because anything under 60% alcohol, then there's no point to be using it. So we're going to add in this flask right here, about 4 tablespoons. Okay? And if you're going to measure something, always put it on the counter. Always put it on the counter and eyeball it from there. Because if you hold it in your hands, if you look, you're going to see it either is under the 4 tablespoon or over the 4 tablespoon, depending how you hold it. So it's always better to put it down on a flat surface and then look at it from there. All right, just a tidbit for y'all. All right, and we're going to set this aside. And we're going to get our bottle, and it is best for you to find out what smells you particularly want in your bottle. And the 3 best flavors I found that smells good and also it disinfects is the lavender, rosemary, and tea tree. So these combinations is what we're going to do for ours right here. And for the lavender, we're going to go ahead and put 6 drops in this. And if yours just like mine's, where some of them have droppers, some of them don't, you're going to go ahead and get one of these fancy bad boys that comes with it, and you're going to get there right there. So 5 to 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And you're going to set it aside because you don't know if you're going to need more. And then you're going to open the rosemary. And it's better to always smell it. It smells so good. And then you're going to open the rosemary. And this has the dropper. So we're going to go ahead and put 6 of this one. And eventually it'll come out. Okay, since it doesn't want to come out, and pop this sucker out. You already have your backup right here. And like I say, you're going to put 6 in it. All right. All right, and then we're going to put 13 of the tea tree. So 13. Okay. All right, you're going to mix that right there. And the reason why we did this is just so we can test to make sure that our blends are perfectly blended together. And the smell is magnificent. And it is. And you're going to repeat this process for which is the 6 rosemary, 6 lavender, and 6 tea tree. You're going to repeat this 2 more times. So you're going to equal. So this right here equals 25 drops, and we're going to repeat this about 2 more times. So this right here equals 25 drops, and we're going to repeat this about 2 more times. So altogether, you're going to have 75 drops in here. So you can make it a little bit more potent. So when you go to smelling it and put it on your skin, it smells nice versus putting alcohol straight on your skin and you smell the alcohol, which is not always pleasant. So I'm going to go right ahead and I'm going to do this 2 more times. So all right, guys. So now you have 75 in this bottle right here, and you mixing it up. It smells so good. And the lavender is going to hit you a lot more and than all the others. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to go right ahead and get your aloe vera, because you don't want to put it on your skin and alcohol will dry up your skin. So you're going to use aloe vera to make sure you leave it a little bit moisturized. And like I said, we only have 70% of alcohol, so we need to make sure that we don't dilute this 10% less. So just to not do that, we're going to take a half a teaspoon of aloe vera. And you're going to put this in. Okay. So once you get a half a teaspoon in there, you're going to go ahead and you're going to also get a half a teaspoon of witch hazel. And this has 14% alcohol, so that's actually putting alcohol back into your bottle, but it also helps the aloe vera at the same time. and it's very good for your skin. So we're going to go ahead and put, and this can get messy, by the way, just to let you know. So now you have your aloe vera, half a teaspoon of aloe vera. You have half a teaspoon of your witch hazel, and then you have your 75 drops of your essential oil, and you could go ahead and mix that bad boy all together. And smell, it smells so good. Okay, and then you get one of these bad boys. Oh yes, you're going to need them. And this is where the messy part comes. And remember, this is 4 tablespoons of alcohol. And you're going to pour it into there. And you're going to close this sucker up. And then you're going to shake that up really good. And your witch hazel helps your alcohol and your essential oils and the aloe vera, all of it blend together very nicely, and you keep shaking. Okay? Don't stop. Keep shaking. And right there, if you look, it's going to be a little bit on the foggy side. All right. And then once you open it, you're going to shake that up so everything blends in together. So we have, in here, we have about 5 tablespoons of alcohol, which is 70%. We have the rosemary, lavender, and tea tree, which is 75 drops in there. And then we have a half a teaspoon of aloe vera and a half a teaspoon of witch hazel in this. And that's the ingredients for this beautiful, wonderful, lovely hand sanitizer. And then after you're done shaking that up, you're going to open it up. And because make sure you stay under this line, because once you pass this line right here, it's going to start becoming a mess. So stay under this line. And when you smell it, you're going to smell the aloe vera. You're going to start smelling the lavender. You're going to start smelling the rosemary, the tea tree, all that. After a while, you're going to start smelling, but it's going to be light. So here we go. And then to, kick this sucker off, because I want to make sure that all my customers get a lot. So that's why I fill it up all the way to the top. And we're going to turn around. You're going to go and you're going to get your own right here label. So, which is very beautiful, by the way. And you're going to make sure you label this. So, hey, this is what's on it. So and bam. And then on the back is going to be another label on the back, and is going to have the ingredients of each one and their reasoning for it. So, and how it's helping you, how this little bottle right here is helping you. So This will also be available in my website. So please go on my website. It'll be available if you follow me on social media right there. If you do follow me on McRee, if I'm saying the name wrong, please forgive me. I'm also going to have them available on there also. So if you follow me anywhere, you will find this, and it will be available starting tomorrow. So I'm going to be posting this today, and starting Monday, it's going to be available to you. So it's official. Your hand sanitizer is available. So go get your hand sanitizer. Stay safe, stay home, and stay beautiful. If you like all this shindig, subscribe to it. If you want to hear more, and please help direct me towards something, or if there's a formula you want to try, then let me know in the comments. I'll get all the ingredients and I'll do it, and we're going to see the results of what we get. I love doing DIYs. It's a little bit of my hobby. So go and get your hand sanitizers. Stay safe and stay beautiful, and like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye, everybody.